Hi, this is Dr. Mercola, and today I want to talk to you about two vitally important minerals, zinc and selenium. Now, these are two of the four minerals I think most everyone benefits from supplementing. The other two would be, of course, magnesium and iodine. Zinc is required in every cell of your body and plays a crucial role in regulating how calcium moves into your heart cells. Now, this is a very recent shift in our understanding of cardiac physiology. So, knowing this now, we can better support cardiac health with zinc. Now, zinc also happens to be involved in more enzymatic reactions than any other mineral, which is why it's so important to avoid zinc deficiencies to maintain optimal enzymatic activity. Now, selenium is another trace element that is essential for cellular health, which is unfortunately becoming harder to get through food because of our seriously degraded soils. Now, the form of selenium you take is absolutely crucial, and I recommend consuming the methylselenocysteine form found in high selenium yeast. You can also obtain selenium through food sources like sardines, liver, pastured eggs, Alaskan salmon, Brazil nuts, and even mushrooms. But if you aren't regularly consuming these foods, I strongly suggest you consider adding a daily selenium supplement so that you can make sure your glutathione production is optimized, because it's one of your body's most important antioxidants. Now, to make this easier for you, we have now added the highest quality selenium in the form of methylselenocysteine to our zinc product. And our new Zinc Plus Selenium supplement can help you better take control of your health.